Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a Papa John's mukbang. Now look at this. I ordered the XXL pizza. Is this lighting okay? 1 second, guys. It's not bright as I want it to be. So I ordered the XXL pizza. There we go. So this is the pizza, and it is an XXL. So it's a massive pizza. Whoa! It's got 2 garlic butters, a garlic and herb and garlic butter. I'm salivating. I got half margarita and half, what did I get? The garden or something, so it's vegetarian. I also got 2 sides, which are, these are the, what was it? This 6 cheese wedges, crinkle wedges. And I got some chicken kind of pieces, chicken pieces. So I don't know where I'm going to put all this food. I really don't. Oh my God, look at this. I also got to drink, oh, where is my, 1 second, guys. I also got a Pepsi raspberry drink. And I'm going to pour that now. There's just no room, is there? For the pizza, it's amazing. Oops. It's frothing everywhere. I'm so excited. There we go. I don't know where to put that. This pizza is ginormous, guys. So I'm just gonna, they didn't actually give me any tea towels, any kind of towels. So that's annoying. But it's okay. So this is the XXL. Look at this. My hair looks strange. I've kind of just got it to a side parting. So let's have the first bite, guys. Mmm. Mmm. That is good. Oh yeah. I'm liking this. Mmm. It's so nice. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. So is everyone okay today? Mmm. I'm just going to take this off. I'm going to have some sides. So these are the chicken, I can't remember what they're called now. Chicken knots, I don't know. And these are the wedges, so let's try a wedge. Mmm. What does it come with? Oh, barbecue dip and a garlic and herb. This barbecue dip is life. Look at this. Oh. I've not had Papa John's for such a long time. And they've just started to do these kind of crinkle wedges. Mmm. Really, really nice. I think they are 6 cheese ones. Mmm. Let's try the garlic sauce. I don't typically like garlic, but this sauce is nice. It smells quite garlic actually, that. Got another barbecue sauce here. And these are the chicken tenders. Have a bite, guys. Go on. Oh, yeah. That's what it's all about, guys. So nice. Oh, yeah. Put those there. Let's try some more pizza. This pizza is absolutely insane, isn't it? I wish I could just level it better. Let's try the margarita. Oops. It's not breaking up very well, is it? Oh, it's so warm. Wow. It's so hot. Yum. So what are you eating with me today, guys? I'd love to know. I always like to know. Look at that. I just love this pizza. Not saying much, am I, guys? Sorry. This pizza was a really good deal. It was £20 for an XXL and 2 sides, and then I bought the Pepsi Max raspberry, which is new, as a side. And it was an online deal, so it was £1. Oh, so these wedges, I know I said they're nice, but they're a bit dry, guys, to be honest. A bit dry. Oh! It's meant to be 6 cheeses or something. The chicken ones are my favourite. The chicken. These chicken. Oh my god. Put some here. How amazing is this mukbang? This is probably the biggest mukbang I've ever done. These are so good. So what's your favourite pizza? I'm really liking this one. It's very fresh. As I've done a Pizza Hut mukbang. Oops. Have I done Domino's? I can't remember. This is amazing. So I ordered this pizza last night, so I kind of woke up at 2 in the morning thinking, right, I need to do this mukbang. Oh. I always wake up randomly, you know, thinking of new things to do. So I love you guys so much. And this just stuck out in my mind. So, you know, I really, really like it. So then I pre-ordered it, and it came literally just a second ago. So that was really, really good, actually. Thing is with me and pizza, my eyes are bigger than my belly. So I know I'm never even gonna even going to attempt. I know I'm not going to finish this, but even like a medium or a large, I'd never finish. Yummy, yum, yum. Have a bite. These are life. I need to save some for my boyfriend, actually. Oh, crap, it's gone everywhere. Flipping barbecue's gone everywhere. So, I'm really glad you enjoy my mukbangs. This Pepsi's really nice. I didn't think they did Pepsi raspberry. I thought they only did the Coke, you know, Coca-Cola raspberry. This is really, ooh, shit. This is really, really good. It's so nice. So guys, I want to tell you something I've done. I've made a boo-boo. This is why my hair is like this, by the way, guys. So basically, my hairdresser came round yesterday to do my hair. She took about 10 hours doing it. She was amazing. She took that long because that's how long it takes, because I had to take all the extensions out and put them all back in, bleach my hair. What else did she do? She toned it, took hours, so it was, we had such fun though. But I stupidly this morning, I thought, you know what? It's looking too dark, you know, I wanted it lightened up a bit. This was no fault of hers. She did an amazing job. I went and tried to bleach it, and I've basically messed it up, to be honest. So now, I have to wait for her. So now, she's coming back. Thank the Lord, bless her soul. To come and fix it for me. This is why I've got it on a slant, because I've messed up the middle. I'm such an idiot. Like, why do I do that? I think I can fix anything and I can't. I'm not a hairdresser. So, if I seem a bit quiet or stressed. Oh, they're called chicken poppers, by the way, guys. I've just seen that. It's because I just want it fixing and I'm really, really, really upset. Really, really upset. Such a fool. I really am a fool. I'm never satisfied with anything. I always have to put my own stamp on it and mess things up. I'm full, guys. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It's just very, I need to darken it slightly. It's too blonde at the top. Why is it always me? Oh dear. I'm full. I can't believe this. I've hardly eaten anything. Well, I have. I've had 4 slices already. Those poppers. I have one more. These are so good. Look at that. This is going to be mine and my boyfriend's tea for about 3 days now. So good. Sorry guys, someone called me, so I have to go. So the camera might be in a different position, sorry. Do I have to bring it back down again? Ooh. Oh my God, it's on my arm. Flipping heck, one sec guys. Oh. So I'm back, guys. Sorry, I had to go there. I've got, what have I got? Barbecue on the walls. So great. I'm just going to have a bit more, guys, and I'm going to call it quits because I'm full. I'm so full. Do you have a bite? Sorry, I've been a bit not myself. I've honestly had a crisis and I just don't know how to fix it. I'm such an idiot. So yeah. A few more of these. I'm a fan of these, guys. They're really, really dry. I'm not happy. No, ugh. Dry cardboard. I've had half a pizza. Oh my god. So guys, I'm going to call it quits now. I hope you've enjoyed this mukbang. Sorry I've been a bit distant. I've just had a drama. We all do. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Have I got something on my nose? No. Bye guys.